Good. So, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Osei Godfred, and today I'm going to talk about the IC, how to trade on IC Wolf. Okay. So, recently I've been talking about IC Wolf, IC Wolf. So, those of you who don't know much about IC Wolf, you can go and check my video on my YouTube channel, whereby I talk about the Ghana Stock Exchange and the IC Wolf market. Okay. I did the process of how to log in and register with your IC Wolf account, so you can then go and check it up there. But today I'm going to talk about these two things: trading live and then how to invest your money and withdraw. Okay, from ICO. So this is what I'm going to talk about. It's very simple. I'm going to make this video very simple for you to understand. So the best thing, this is the platform that I've opened so far. Let's go to this portfolio. Let me explain this to portfolio for you to understand where it is. So these two are this IC liquidity fund, and we have trading live portfolio. Bear in mind that this is what I'm going to take you, like this is what I'm going to talk about. So listen and listen very carefully. When you register your account for the first time, this is what you are going to receive for you automatically. The IC liquidity fund is automatically going to be open. That's the first account you are going to receive from IC Wolf. So for that one, if you want to make a deposit, let's say if you want to make a direct deposit into your account, you come to this side, the IC liquidity fund. You come here, add fund. Click on add fund. Many people have been struggling on how to make deposit into this account, and it's very simple. So you come to add fund. Here you select the portfolio that you want. But for those who have the old account, it will be there automatically for you to sell. It will be selected automatically for you, because since you don't have two or three or multiple account on the platform. And now again, you come to the investment amount. That is where you're going to choose the amount you want to invest. So let's say you want to deposit 20 Ghana cedis. You type 20 Ghana cedis, either with your mobile phone, or you can do it on your mobile phone, or you can do it on your laptop. It depends on how you're going to use it. And make sure you download the app. Okay, make sure you download the app. They have their website, and they also have the app on mobile phone. So you can get the app on Google Play Store or App Store. Okay, or whatever store you have on your mobile phone, you can get the app over there. Just go and type IC Wolf. Make sure you do not mistakenly type a different to receive a different account. And also bear in mind the logo is very important. So IC Wolf, when you type it, you're gonna see over there. So let's continue. So you choose the type of payment method that you want to, or type of payment that you want to make. Okay, so after typing your amount, you choose the type of payment method you want to make. So you can come here, select mobile money, Vodafone Cash or Airtel Tigo Cash, or MasterCard or Visa. You can choose you can make the deposit over here, and it's gonna take 24 hours or to 24 hours to 2 days. So if you make the deposit today and it's not in your account, please wait. Okay, so it's written over here. Note: payment made by Visa card or MasterCard, Visa, Airtel Tigo Cash or Vodafone Cash or MTN mobile money will be invested in 3 working days when the money is received from the service provider. Good. So at least 3 working days. It's not like 3 working days that the money will be deposited, but at least the maximum days is 3 working days. So sometimes it will be deposited instant. The moment you make your deposit, it will fetch automatically. Okay. So let me talk about this very important thing right here. You are making your transaction from your bank account. You have to consider this, especially the reference number is very important. The two accounts over here, we have Ghana Cedis investment and we have USD investment. So you can make the deposit through any of them, but know that you have to, if you're making deposit through the USD investment, check the dollar rate with the Ghana Cedis. Check the dollar rate with the Ghana Cedis. I think currently Ghana Cedis to $1 is 11 cedis. So if you're making the deposit through your USD account, so you have to check the dollar rate with your Ghana cedis. Afterwards, you make sure the account number over here is well inputted, and also the reference number is very inputted. It's very important to note this, so you want to mix you're making your deposit on your account. Your trade life portfolio. Let me talk about this. Okay, most people don't know about this, so let me talk about this. This is what you have to know. When you open your trade life portfolio, it gives you the access to trade on the stock market and buy shares with different companies as you prefer. But understand that the trading life portfolio doesn't open automatically the same day, because you need your CSD from the security service. I'm talking about security service, the services that are in charge for regulating the shares on the market, on the Ghana stock market. So let me use my example. When I created this account, okay, I created it in January. It's about 7 months now. I think 6 or 7 months now before I received my CSD account. So here is it. They will send you an email automatically that your IC liquidity fund or your CSD account has been created. You need this. So you need this email before you can. Let me read it to you. Your CSD account for equities and fixed income trading has been set up and now ready for your first investment. Looking forward to help you fulfill your aspiration. Good. So if you have not received that email, you can't buy shares. You can't trade on the market. So know that it took them 1 year. Some it took them 1.5. Some it took them just 2 months. Some it took them 1 week. Some it took them just 2 to 3 days. So you need that CSE account. You need this email, okay, before you can access to buy shares in any company that you want. Okay, so I think for now you understand what I'm trying to mean over here. Good. Now let's go to trade life. Now let me before I go to trade life, let me talk about adding fund and withdrawing fund. Now adding fund. Here is what you have to do. When you come here, you select your trade life portfolio. I have 50. These are different accounts. So trade life portfolio, and then you add the same process as I told you on how to make a deposit to your liquidity fund. Okay, so this is the same process as trading life portfolio. Now let's go back. The most important aspect is the trade life. Let's go to the trade life. So with trade life, this is what you have to consider. First of all, don't just enter to buy any shares in any company just because first of all you heard someone talking about that it is good and you want to buy. Two, because of your feeling. You don't base on your feeling to make analysis on the market. You will lose your money. This is money matters. So for you to buy shares, understand the company that you want to buy the shares from, and also check their prices. Even check their prices and check their 1 year highs and lows. Listen carefully. Check their prices, their year performance, I think year performance and year's performance. So the best thing is their performances and also current performances. So let me make it simple for you to understand. You need to know the performance of 1 year, like of the company that you want to buy, and then the low performance of that company that you want to buy. I hope you understand what I'm trying to mean. And also the like 3 months performance of the company. So if you come here, they have 3 months performance. So you need to check the prices, the performance of the company, and also, do a lot of research about it before you buy from the company. Don't just invest your money to throw your money away. These days money is hard to get. So now let me go to one of the banks that I want to buy. I've been doing my own research about it. Let me talk about car bank. So car bank, I want to buy car bank. I have 2 Ghana cedis in my like available account in my cash wire balance. So I have 2 Ghana cedis in my trading live account. So I'll buy 2 Ghana cedis share. I'll try if I can buy 2 Ghana cedis share with any company, a company over here. But don't just buy it with any company. Just do research on the company. Do understand that this is what you're going to buy. and this is the performance of the company. I quite remember NTM made their first all-time high this year in August. So, you know, all-time high this year in August is quite very good. But if you come here, MTN shares is 3.6 Ghana cedis, 6.9 Ghana cedis. Like, it's not even up to 9, you know. It's recently that they made their all-time high, that is increased it to 3 Ghana cedis. It was currently 2 Ghana cedis. So that's just by the way. Now let's go to the account that I want to buy. I click on buy. Okay, let's go and click on buy. And then we check the current price. The current price is what? 0.51. So I want to buy how many shares? How many shares am I going to buy? Just be with me here. I have 2 Ghana cedis in my account. So how many shares am I going to buy? Let's see. I can buy 3. 3. So if I buy 3 shares with car bank, okay, with car bank, it's gonna cost me one cedi 70 pesos and 2 cents. One cedi 70 pesos and 2 cents. So let's see if I can buy 4. Let me see. So 4 is gonna cost me 2 cedis 60 pesos, 2 cedis 30 pesos. But I have available fund of 2 Ghana cedis 60 pesos and 3 cents. So this is what I'm going to do. I can click on the process and then click on the process like this. So they will take this is the next step to take. So you're gonna buy car bank. This is a ticket car bank and volume 4, which is 4 shares, and then the price is 0.51, which is 50 pesos. And then the charges on the market that they are going to charge me is 0.606. Okay, the broker need to charge you so they can regulate the system. You know, even bank do charge. This is their interest rate. So this is what I'm gonna pay. So this is 2 cedis 30 pesos. I click on submit. So I click on submit like this, you know, fetching information from the market and then done. Okay, so my order has been submitted. So for me to know if it has already been submitted, so I have to come here and then check it over here. So 6 September, which is today, Carbon buy shares. So Carbon 0.5 and 4.2, and then pending. Okay, then you know you can cancel it any time that you prefer. Okay, so this is one thing that one thing I want you to know. It's very simple. You know, it's very simple for you to buy shares with these companies like this. And at the end of the day, month or like you know, for some months or some weeks or not for months, you're gonna wait for some months and then you're gonna make your investment. You're gonna make the benefit from there. Okay, so let me come to the phone matter. So this is the phone my IC Wealth. Okay, the same account on that I did. So we come to liquidity fund. We have liquidity fund here over here. Let me show it to you. So I don't know if you can see from the phone top. They have liquidity fund and down here we have invest. We have you know the trade life also here. So you can also do check your inside for like do this is a trade life account. So okay, this is a trade life account. Okay, this is a trade life account. If you want to trade live, you have to type here, come here, check the company that you want to buy shares from. So this is what I was talking about. You come here, you can do it on your phone, even if you're on a phone. So these are the companies that are listed over here. So these are the companies that are listed over here, and I can buy from any company that I want to buy from. So it's very simple. Okay, it's very simple and very understandable to do so. You can also do it anywhere you are. This is not about a matter of going to sit on your PC before you can do this. You can even buy it from your phone, directly from your phone or any device that you have. Just have to get access to internet and make sure the system is well that it can, you know, get access to your web browser. Now let me talk about one most important thing that I have to tackle over here. Do you know you can also buy treasury bill? I mean treasury bill with from IC Wolf. Okay, you can buy treasury bill with the IC Wolf. Yeah, you can buy treasury bill on MTN Ghana, or you can also buy treasury bill on IC Wolf. So I'll talk about how to also buy shares using the MTN Ghana code. This is the star 170 hash. But first of all, let me talk about this before I move on to that. Now, here is the treasury bill. We have the 91 days treasury bill, we have the 182 days treasury bill, and we have 364 days bill. So these are all here. And then, so the yield maturity, the maturity is the maturity date is Monday, 24th November 2025. So if you want to buy, just come by the talk about the amount you want. You don't have to pull back from that. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to know about, you can buy treasury bill. You can buy treasury bill with, IC liquidity of account. All you have to do is come to your Trade Life account and then add fund. Click on adding fund. After adding your fund, this income. So your fund will pop up here for you to know. This is local equity. This is local equities, and you have fixed income. Fixed income. Okay, check the differences. Local equity and fixed income. So this is where you can buy your treasury bill for any amount that you want. You can buy it from 2,000, 1,000. The minimum amount you can buy with is 1,000 Ghana cedis, and then you can buy 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 in the amount that you want to buy is over there. So this is very simple that I want you to know. You can check also your history and know what is going on there. Now, for now, let's go to MTN, how to buy your shares with MTN. I humbly please you, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do this to motivate your friend or your brother. Just do this to motivate me. Subscribe to the channel for me, also like this video, or you can also recommend it to someone. Now let's go to the process. So you dial your star 170 hash. This is my 170 hash. You click on it. You choose your number five. Number 5 says what? You click on trade shares. Number 6. Okay. Then you type in your code. So this is what you want to do. Trade Life, view shares holding, buy shares, sell shares. You can buy directly. So view shares holding. Let me view my shares holding. So okay. So if you don't believe, let's try if it is true. Let's come to my blog. So you can see MTN Ghana, this is my share, and then Access Bank. So is it definitely true that I'm holding MTN Ghana and Access Bank? Definitely true. So you can go back 170. This is what I'm doing. So I'm trying to explain for you to understand that trading on MTN Ghana is also like trading here on IC Wolf Market. So just go to the process and do as I taught you. 5, and then choose numbers. Option 6, which is trade shares, and then type in your code. Afterwards, you are done, and then you click on, maybe if you want to buy shares, you click on buy shares. So if you want to buy shares, you can click on buy shares, and then you buy your shares. Okay, so if you want to buy shares, you can follow this process, and then you are good to go. Okay,